Did you know that with just your breath, your voice, and a simple mantra, you can completely reset your energy, you can balance your chakras, and feel more peaceful in just minutes? This practice is called the 7-wave Satnam meditation. It's one of the most beautiful and accessible meditations from Kundalini Yoga, and it works with the law of 7, the same natural rhythm as the tides of the ocean. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step through the practice so you can experience its calming and transformative effects for yourself. Whether you're brand new to meditation or even a seasoned practitioner, this is a technique that you can return to again and again. Hi, I'm Mataji, and welcome back. On this channel, I share practices from yoga and meditation that can help you feel more balanced, more connected, and empowered in your everyday life. The 7-wave Satnam meditation is a Bij mantra practice. Bij meaning seed, B-I-J. Just like a seed grows into a tree, these mantras plant the vibration of transformation within you. And this meditation has the power to cleanse the subconscious mind, wash away unwanted patterns, and restore harmony in your entire system. So let's set up together. Posture. You want to sit in easy pose. You can do this in a chair as well. That's just a very simple cross-legged position on the floor. And again, if that's uncomfortable, you can sit on a cushion. I always do. Or even in a chair with your feet flat on the ground and your back away from the back of the chair. So the bandha, which is the way that you lock the posture in place, is the Jalandhar Bandh, which is a gentle neck lock. And all it is a gentle tuck of the chin towards the chest. So the chest lifts, which is the sternum, and the chin just gently drops in towards. It's not down like this. It's not out like that. It's just a gentle pulling back. And you'll feel the back of your neck open if you're doing it accurately. And you really relax into it also, which is part of what the posture offers you to experience immediately. Now your mudra and your eyes, you're going to put your palms flat together like so, and you're going to place the backs of the thumbs in the very center of the sternum. So remember, the chest, sternum is gently lifted. You've got the Jalandhar Bandh, neck lock, gentle neck lock, and your eyes are going to be closed and focused up to here, which is your third eye, the 6th chakra. We'll have our breath and mantra is using the mantra Satnam, and we're going to qualify it in a 7-wave pattern. I'll walk you through it. I'll give you some demonstration here. So you'll take a deep breath in, and then on the exhale, Satnam. So essentially, I am visualizing the sound weaving through all of my 7 internal chakras with Sat, actually the first 6, and to here, and then on 7, it reaches the crown, Nam, and there it flows out like a beautiful fountain and spreads all into the auric field, fully saturating, where it then comes and enters again through the root, through the sacral, through the navel, through the heart, through the throat, through the third eye, and then up to the crown, and then flowing out. So it's a continuous pattern of this 7-wave cycle. And I like to do just a little bit of a sound fluctuation so that I'm really hearing myself with the visualization. The two combining of audible and then visualizing really creates a strong experience of how this practice starts to give me a powerful experience of balance and centering. So let's begin, shall we? So come into your posture, hands in prayer mudra, shoulders relaxed, sitting tall, chest is gently lifted, gentle neck lock, Jalandhar Bandh. Your eyes are at the third eye point, which is just between the eyebrows there. So gently roll the eyes up to here. Now take a breath in, and exhaling, Satnam. Satnam. And clearly use your visualization skills to see the sound threading through all the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then the white crown chakra sparkling and flowing out into the auric field like a fountain. Let's keep going. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. One more. Sat Nam. And then just sit quietly, breathing a natural breath, and just visualize all these colors, these energy centers in the body lighting up. Feel and still sense and hear the sound, the internal sound of the 7 waves Sat Nam, vibrating in all your cells and all the chakra centers. And notice that all of this is projecting outward, all around you, above, below, and all the 4 directions around you. And then inhale and exhale and Sat Nam. So the mantra becomes like a wave, rises from the base of the spine all the way up and out into your energy field. I do hope that you experience that. And in our few rounds that we just did together, just take a moment afterwards and just sit quietly and integrate. Just notice what it is that you're feeling. The feeling is like a vibration that washes through your whole being, like waves soothing and smoothing the sand. And each repetition clears your mind and renews your spirit. So it's recommended that you practice this meditation anywhere from 11 minutes up to 31 minutes. And if you build up to 31 minutes daily, it will cleanse your mind the way the ocean waves cleanse a beach. Even a shorter practice, though, can bring you a beautiful, deeper sense of peace. This meditation is powerful because it balances and harmonizes all 7 internal chakras and strengthens your auric field, your energetic shield. It helps to reset emotional, mental patterns, releasing what no longer serves you and planting new seeds of clarity. And it boosts your immunity, your presence, and your magnetic energy, making you feel calm, protected, and radiant. And it's accessible. No matter your experience level, you can start right where you are. After chanting Sat Nam in this way, you'll notice yourself feeling calm, relaxed, and mellow, yet energized and clear. So if you enjoyed this practice, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little harmony in their life. And if you haven't already, I invite you to watch my previous video on what are chakras and how they can help you feel better. It's a perfect companion to this practice, giving you the background on the energy center that we just worked with. And of course, if you'd like to deepen your practice further, join me for classes and immersions here in Las Vegas at the Kundalini Sanctuary. The link is in the description. Until next time, stay radiant, stay balanced, and remember, Sat Nam.